Like this is the specialty of my daughter. What do you call this, Mama? It's lumpia. The inside is the crab meat. She cannot put the sauce. Ay, hala, AJ. But is it sour? Why like this? Why it's still coming? Maybe you have to open it more. Yeah, you have to take it out. Ma, oh.
Pagkakataon ng parang sa rewind.
No, I can't.
Napanood ka ba ng rewind?
I don't.
Okay. Kasi sa rewind kasi, si Marian tayo. Wala na po ako isang kiwi yung Ramos. Okay. And, nagkasakit siya sa bato. Tinanggal ko ito sa Bulacan.
I cannot talk. I cannot talk, guys. It's the otlong in Wamos. Doon yung Wamos show talking. I cannot talk. I'm eating. It's hot. This is my daughter's specialty. So expensive.